In this video, I'm going to show you how to join Anydesk quickly and correctly, even if you've never used remote desktop software before. This is a simple process, but it's important to follow each step carefully so you can connect to the right device and get access smoothly. If this tutorial helps you, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, you need the remote ID from the person you want to connect to. Ask them to open the Anydesk app on their computer or mobile device. Once it's open, they should look at the top of the screen where it says "This Desk." Right underneath that, they'll see a 9-digit Anydesk ID. This number is very important because it works like the address for the device you want to join. Make sure they send you that exact 9-digit ID with no missing numbers. Now switch over to your own device and open Anydesk on your computer or mobile device. On the main screen, look for the Enter Remote Address field near the top of the app window. This is where you type the 9-digit ID you received. Enter it carefully, then press Enter or click the Connect button. Once you do that, Anydesk will start sending a connection request to the remote device. At this point, the other person will see a pop-up on their screen asking whether they want to allow the connection. This is the security step that protects both users. The person on the remote computer must click Accept in order to continue. They may also need to choose which permissions they want to grant, such as keyboard and mouse control, screen viewing, or clipboard access. If they want you to fully control the computer, they need to allow those permissions before the session begins. Once the request is accepted, the connection will open and you'll be joined to the remote device through Anydesk. From there, you can start working, helping, troubleshooting, or managing the computer depending on the access that was granted. If you do not get connected right away, double-check the ID, make sure both devices are online, and confirm that the other person accepted the request. A quick tip: always verify the ID before connecting, especially if you're helping someone for the first time. Since Anydesk is used for remote access, it's important to connect only to the correct device, and only after the other person has approved it. That keeps the process safe and smooth. And that's it. You now know how to join Anydesk in just a few simple steps. If this guide helped you out, please remember to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.